So I've rolled the timber back over. I now have the reference face and the adjacent edge. Reference face up, adjacent edge to the side. This is done. This is done, this is done, this is done. We now need to make this piece smaller so we can assemble it with this piece over here. So I have a cut line drawn over here where I'm going to need to cut this timber off and separate it from the long piece. Get rid of the long piece so that I can now work on this nice little short piece and mate it to the original timber. So the next thing to do is to cut this off at the line. And we need to do that supporting both timbers at the same time so that we don't crack anything beyond what is already cracked at the break. So I think what I'm going to do is hold up the far end with the forklift and set the two sawhorses down here to hold this piece, and I'll cut it with the Prezi beam cutter. That'll be next. Okay, so I've got the forklift underneath the far end. I moved the two horses down. I got out my Prezi beam cutter, which is a chainsaw bar mounted to a worm drive, and it'll cut a 12-inch timber. No problem. These are 8x8, so it'll saw right through it. So that's the next step, to cut this piece off. I'll now set that piece away with the forklift, and we'll work on this little one.